back, everyone. Phil with Buck and Buck, and a lot of our customers want to wear a corduroy pant. It's something they've worn their whole lives. Corduroy offers a really unique feel. It's warm, it's soft, and it's got that signature corduroy feel that so many people love and want to continue to wear, but maybe, you know, it can offer some difficulty when dealing with the standard button clasp zipper fly mechanism at the top of the pant. That's why we offer these in an all elastic waist putter pant style with the Velcro fly. Now these only come with the Velcro fly, but they are a very popular item with so many of our customers because it does offer that old corduroy feel that they know and love, but it comes with the all elastic waistband, which is a huge comfort factor, still with the belt loops, so a belt is an option here, and our signature Velcro fly mechanism, which makes self-dressing so much easier. These come in two colors. This is the chestnut. They also come in a navy, and again, one of our more popular items, the all elastic waist corduroy putter pant in a Velcro fly mechanism. Learn more about it and all of our other pants at buckandbuck.com.